What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and I just want to say we only have 163 followers, I believe, last time I checked, and we've been getting a lot of comments, a lot of follows on our Instagram page from YouTube, and I just want to say I appreciate every single one of you guys. I appreciate all the likes, follows. So if you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you are subscribed. And yeah, so in this video I am going to share with you guys the essential tools or supplies you need to run a small business. This can apply to if you own a clothing line, print shop, just selling any products. So if you don't already know, of course we own a print shop, me and Chuck. And he owns a clothing line, which is what he's working on right now. He's shipping out orders. And then I also own a spa.
This one lucky going to the NBA player too.
Okay. He said this order is going to an NBA player. But yeah, and I also own a spa. So I own a spa, he owns a clothing line, and then we own a print shop together. So in this video, we're going to show you guys the stuff that we use like on an everyday basis and how, like, the tools we need to run our business. Say what's up, YouTube.
Jerry, give these orders out.
And by the way, we just released our new merch for the spa, and this is one of them. It says skin in different tones of brown. And here are a few clips we took yesterday making this hoodie. But yes, so now I'm going to show you guys the stuff that we use to run our business. Okay, so one of the essential tools you need when shipping products.
Tenderness. Yeah. Just a little tenderness.
Are you done? So one of the essential tools you need when shipping products, if you have a product-based business, is a scale.
You need.
What's going on? Are you in a singing mood right now?
Oh, sorry. You got a bag with it?
Oh, we have a customer coming in and pick up order. 1 second. Okay. Back to the video. One of our customers had to pick up an order, but yes. One thing you need is a scale. So I got this from Amazon. I'll link all the products below in the description. When you're shipping a product, you have to measure the weight of the product so it can calculate the shipping cost in different states. So this comes in handy. And another thing you need is shipping supplies. So these are, what do you call these?
Poly bags.
Poly bags, and my name is Polly. Anyway, so you need shipping supplies. These are poly bags. We also have bubble mailers, This is we don't use these anymore, but we used to use them. So it's good, like, if you're shipping products, like, I don't know, something that needs a little bit more cushion so it doesn't break. But if you're just shipping clothes, you can get one of these. He used to have custom poly bags, but he ran out, so we're just using these.
Yeah. So many orders. So many orders. But they coming back. That's the weekend.
Yeah, so that you also need, I mean, just the basic shipping supplies, like tape. Where's our tape? Ah! Like tape. We have a, what do you call it, like a tape gun?
It's called a tape gun.
Where you put the tape in and, you know, and it cuts for you. Can't find it right now. But yes, tape. That's crazy. Another essential tool you need when having a business selling product is a thermal label printer. Now, we use Dymo, and to be completely honest, I would not recommend Dymo. We've just been getting so many problems with this, but I've heard that like Rollo, I believe that's the name of it, is good. Also, like any label printer that has that you can shoot the labels from the back, so it's not connected to the printer. Like this, if I can open it, the label paper is inside. So there are some where, you know, it doesn't have to be inside. So you can have like a big roll of what is this, label stickers? Shipping labels. Shipping labels away from the actual printer, and then yeah, it's just easier.
Yeah, I wouldn't, definitely don't get a Dymo.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend Dymo. We've had, this is actually our second Dymo printer because the first one we ordered broke, and they sent another one for free.
And if you do got a Dymo, if you're having problems with your Dymo, make sure that you're using the Dymo labels. Because if you don't use the Dymo brand labels, then it's gonna be printing uneven and shit. Yeah, just don't get a Dymo.
Yeah, so we've ordered like different shipping label paper to put in our Dymo printer, and it didn't work. And then we called them. They said that you have to use Dymo label, shipping labels. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend Dymo. I would get a different one. That's just to be completely honest with you guys. So another thing you need, if you're selling products, if you have a product base, or any service, is a card reader. So we have our PayPal card reader. We are with Shopify for my spa and his clothing line, and then for the print shop we use, I think, Wix. We have a Wix and Weebly website, but yeah. So you know, if you do pop-up shops, you need a card reader. We do have we pretty much use every single one of these. Like we use Shopify before, we use PayPal, we use Square, but we mainly use I think our last pop-up shop we used Square, but
I fuck with Square. A lot of people don't go to other ones. I like Square.
yeah, the thing is with PayPal, if you have a PayPal account and you use a PayPal card reader, the money goes directly to your PayPal account, so you can transfer it to your account right away. Of course, it's like a fee, or if you have like a card, a debit card with PayPal, you can just use it. So with like Shopify or Square, it takes like a couple of days for the money to hit your account.
Or you can do instant transfer too.
With Square?
Yeah, that's how I like Square.
Oh, so I guess you can do instant transfer with Square too.
I really fuck with Square. Maybe because Square held me down when I first started my brand.
I definitely used Square the first time. I mean, Square was probably before.
That's what I'm saying. I gotta stay true to them because they held me down when I first started. All them pop-up shops and all the venues and stuff.
Yes. So another thing you need when having your own business is business cards. Business cards and thank you cards. This is his thank you card for his clothing line that he gives out to each of his customers. And yeah, so business cards, you know, they say business card is dead, but it actually does come in handy, especially when you're out in public and you just meet somebody and you just hand them one of your business cards. We pass out a lot of business cards when we're out. You know, when we go out to eat, restaurants, we give some, you know, one to the waiter. We eat a lot, which we probably shouldn't be eating so much. We spend a lot of money on food. Anyways, yeah, so we do print business cards and thank you cards here. So if you need business cards and thank you cards, hit us up. So another item you need is a laptop, of course.
And if you decide between whether get a laptop or a desktop, definitely get a laptop because you can always take it with you on the go. Because like when I first started my brand, I was deciding between getting a desktop and a laptop because I used to like desktops a lot. But I'm so glad I went with a laptop because I can literally take it with me. I can literally take it with me wherever I need to go. Another thing that you need, and this is to close it out, well, probably rudely jumps in front of me. But nah, another thing that you need, man, when you starting your brand, besides the shipping labels, the laptop, and all that stuff, man, you need consistency. That's the main thing. You gotta be consistent with everything that you do, with anything that you do if you want to be successful in it. You definitely gotta be consistent with it. You gotta have that mentality, that dedication that you're not gonna stop. No matter what happens, no matter if you're not getting those sales or whatever, you know, if you can't really think of new designs, like in my case, I designed for my clothing line, whatever it is that you do, whatever brand that you got, whatever business that you got, just be dedicated, be consistent, and never give up on yourself, no matter how bad things are looking. That's what you need more than anything.
Okay. We're about to head out. We're gonna eat. I am hungry.
We gotta go to the post office first before they close. I gotta go ship out orders.
We need to go to the post office to ship out orders. But yes, we've been getting a lot of messages on our Instagram page from our YouTube subscribers or just people watching our YouTube. So if you have any questions, feel free to message us on Instagram or just comment below. We'll answer all questions you guys have. Yes. Huh? All these shirts are from his clothing line. He just had a pop-up shop, so it's like
it's getting empty, but trust me, I can restock whenever I want because I got the machine to be able to do it. I'm about to go to the post office right now and drop off these orders. It's just a real true blessing, but this only came because this one thing, being consistent, not giving up. And trust me, it done got real low. I done got real low with this, for real, where there be times where you don't get no sales, not in a day, a week, a month, you know what I'm saying? But you just gotta stay on the grind though. Make the tweaks that you need to make, then it'll happen. This only the beginning though. It's gonna get bigger than this, trust. You ready then?
And thank you for coming to our TED Talk.
Stay tuned. We're giving out a lot of jewels. 1921 print shop, 1921 movement, Chucky and Polly, man, we here to stay. Got to elevate, but we want y'all to elevate while we elevate. We want to be able to look at our YouTube channel, look at our comments and say that we gave y'all jewels, y'all use them and it worked. So stay tuned, man.
Oh, and if you are a writer like me or a planner like me, I always keep a notebook and I write everything in here, my to-do list, calendar, you know, all that stuff. So I'm more of a, you know, writer, old school. He's more of a, he writes everything on his phone.
I write everything in my notes. I like
on his phone.
Yeah, on my phone. On my phone. I write everything. I write new designs in there. I write my my affirmations in there. Ooh. I write my gratitude.
Almost dropped, you guys.
All that. Gratitude, affirmations, and IMs every morning. Try to.
And that could be another video if you guys want to know our morning routine. But yes, we are about to head out. So see you on our next video.